How to turn on or turn off communication safety for sensitive photos and videos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down and tap on Communication Safety. At the top here, tap on Communication Safety. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then here's the update of the devices using iCloud for screen time. So tap on OK to turn it on. After that, if you want to turn it off, just tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And here, once you turn it on, it asks you, do you want to improve communication safety? If yes, you can tap on that to switch it on, and this will help Apple improve communication safety by sharing analytics and usage data. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.